vide ramen eggs. Is it worth it? So our quest today is to make the perfect ramen eggs. In Japanese, that's ajitsuke tamago. That is set whites, creamy custardy yolks, fine balance between the two, very delicate balance. I think that's a really hard line to walk. And also you have to cure it and season it to perfection.
Oof, that's gonna be hard.
Now before we start, if you're new to kind of cooking, we're a channel where we explore how a sous vide can make your cooking life much easier.
Maybe not easier, just do something interesting.
And since you're here already, make sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell.
We're gonna do 3 methods today. We're gonna boil the egg, the traditional method. We're gonna sous vide the egg, and we're going to do a combination, boiling and sous vide. And we're gonna find out which one is best for this method.
So we're gonna do the marinade first because that needs to cool off. For all 3 methods, either way, you still have to marinate the eggs for at least 24 hours. For the marinade, we'll have half a cup of mirin.
Going in.
Woo! Half a cup of sake.
Okay, so we're cooking this down just to cook off the alcohol. Are you gonna wanna get your phone for this next part?
Okay, why? Oh no. Is this necessary?
This is not necessary at all.
I thought you just tilted. Ooh!
Is that it? Guess that's it.
That's lame. Once the alcohol is cooked off, you can turn off the heat. It's done, Kevin.
No more?
Yeah, please turn it off.
Okay.
And you can pour in 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of water. And then set that aside to cool. Alternatively, you can use the marinade from the char siu pork. And if you haven't seen that video yet, we have a link in the description down below.
Eggs, they're really temperamental. So I want to make sure everyone starts from the same consistent base. For us, we're taking them straight from the fridge. We're using large eggs and white eggs. And in our test, we found that the white eggs peel a little better than the brown eggs. Why? I don't know.
Now,
they just do.
Does anyone know why some eggs are brown and some eggs are white? Is it because like the chickens are different genes? Like, you know, there's a Chinese chicken and a white chicken. I feel like I sound really racist. But if you know why the shells are different colored, let us know down in the comment section below. I'm really curious.
I will poke holes in the bottom of all the eggs on the fat side. So apparently this makes it easier to peel because of how water is sucked in. Hot water and then cold water is sucked in after and makes a little vortex. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Apparently it works, okay? First step is to poke a little hole in the bottom of the egg. And so there. And so that will help. I don't have anything else to make it a little bigger, so I use a large skewer just to make the hole a little bigger.
All right.
Okay.
And that's it.
And that's it.
Method number 1.
The traditional boiling method. The temperature of the water is much higher when you're boiling. Your margin of error is much smaller. That means like whatever timing has to be spot on. So we're gonna put it in boiling water, 6 minutes, 30 seconds, straight to ice bath, then we peel.
Okay.
Okay,
I have it set at 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Perfect. We're gonna go in with the eggs. Go. Ready and out. Straight into the ice bath. Make sure it cools down right away. I like to crack my eggs on the top and on the bottom. That's what works for me. And actually I prefer to peel them under running water because that's what I feel like works, but we'll make it work here under this nice bowl. So it's peeling pretty easily so far. Beauty.
Method number 2.
We are going to do a combination. We're going to boil it and then sous vide it. The reason is the whites and the yolks set at different temperatures. So we're gonna boil it to set the outside, and then we're gonna sous vide it to get the perfect creamy middle.
Okay.
So we're doing 160 in the sous vide for this.
And apparently I think you can do a lot of different combinations of times.
Yep.
So this one, let's see how it goes.
Yeah. This one is cracked, but we'll see
You
how...
want to try the cracked one first or no?
I'll try the cracked one first. Okay. So far so good.
Come on.
It's stuck. Oh,
No,
no,
no.
no. These are really hard to peel.
Are they softer than the other ones?
It's really soft.
Oh, our fridge is loud. If anyone knows what that means and how to fix it.
Okay, 1.
Method number 3.
The straight sous vide. If we go high enough temperature, we can set the whites and the yellows to the perfect consistency.
Is it perfect?
We're gonna find out.
Because like with meats, you can say, oh, I can do it between like 4 to 15 hours. It's such a big gap. But with eggs, it's like 1 minute and you're off.
Yeah, we're gonna try. We're gonna try 190 for 8.5 minutes. Break a little bit on both sides. This one actually peels much easier than the last one, which was a combo. So far out of the 3, the easiest to peel is definitely the boiled.
Okay.
This is second, and the combo is really difficult. It's like expert level peeling.
I'm on expert.
Expert.
Is
Is that a pun?
Expert.
Expert?
Oh, expert. Yes, it is.
Okay, couple of dimples, but you know, back. So we are going to marinate. Take a couple ladles of this. One. We cover them in some paper towels. So you can see that the eggs float a little bit. So you want to just cover them so that they evenly marinate all around. This will keep them submerged and marinate them nicely. So into the fridge they go, 24 hours, and we'll see you tomorrow.
So we have our
3 eggs.
The boil, the combo, and the sous vide.
The moment we've all been waiting for. All right, let's cut the boiled. Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
Look at that custard.
Yes.
That is a really nice
That
cut.
looks good.
This is
Number 2.
combo.
So 3 minutes boiled, and I don't remember how long sous vide. It's much flatter than everything else. It's like, boop. Oh, but the yolk is beautiful.
The yolk is nice.
But the whites you can see.
The whites
like,
have not set yet.
completely set
Okay, so
Okay.
what can we do here? I guess we can go a little longer,
in the boil,
like 4 minutes in the boil.
maybe.
Okay, so this is
Sous vide,
sous
straight up
vide,
sous vide.
straight sous vide. This is not feeling good. Oh, but it's not bad.
Okay, so this one is a lot more cooked, right?
Yep. Okay.
They all look pretty good. I think the best one is the
Best looking
Boiled.
one is this one.
so traditional, classic way still works well. Actually, let's taste it too. Kevin, egg cheers.
Excellent.
I really like the texture.
The texture is awesome.
The yolk is so creamy. The whites are still solid, so very good texture. Okay, let's try this one. I feel like, I don't know if this one will hold.
I'm surprised like the egg yolk is like the perfect consistency, but the whites are not. Like
This-
you cannot get any better consistency than that.
Yep. I don't think we can cheers this one. This one just have to go directly into mouth. Oh yeah.
A little
It's
salty.
very mushy.
Yeah, I don't love it.
All right, just cheers to you guys. Should be kanpai in Japanese. This is delicious, actually.
I like this one. That's really nice.
This one,
The straight up sous vide.
but tastes really good.
I think this is a winner. I actually think this is a winner.
Yeah.
The whole time doing this whole experiment, I thought I was going to go this way.
Look-wise, this looks like it. but texture and taste-wise,
That's
even
it.
though the taste, we use the same marinade for all three, it's somehow different.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird, right?
This one held up a little bit better too.
What do you guys think? Do you think it's worth it to do the sous vide method? I actually think I wouldn't count the boiling out because the boiling is so much easier.
Okay, here's the thing. If I had something in the sous vide and I didn't have to warm up the water, I would do sous vide.
Yeah, because like if you have to wait and warm up the water for like how many minutes? 8.5 minutes, is it really worth it?
I'm surprised. I'm actually
Yeah,
very surprised.
it's really nice. I don't even know how to describe this texture. What would this be?
Excellent. All right, we have like 4 dozen eggs to eat in the fridge.